Hey everyone, if you're thinking about deleting your InVideo AI account on your phone, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open the InVideo AI app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Once you are in the app, tap on this back button and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your account settings. In the profile section, you will be seeing delete account at the very end. Simply tap on delete account and tap on delete. You need to delete your workspace in order to delete your account. So go ahead and tap on members, tap on delete workspace, click delete. Now in order to delete your account, close the app and open it again. Now tap on delete account. Tap on delete. And that's it. Your InVideo AI account is now deleted. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Got any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching. Now I'll see you in the next video.